right, so we just start recording now. So, okay. So, what do I ask first? Okay. Well, okay, let's just start from the beginning. All right. Okay, my friend. So let's just start to talk about your before and after. We can say about that. Okay, let me know about your experience before come to us. What's the reason you come to the program? Or how you feel before and after join our program and my mentorship one-to-one. Don't know, just tell us what have changed. Actually, I'm curiosity about that. We said, as we said before earlier in the meeting, we don't know what am I talking about, but now the curiosity is if it's actually is work for you or not. This transformation I try to make from you from before. We can say first, okay, what make you to come into us and what has been changed since you are with us, and we are only halfway. I think so. Well, we don't know halfway or not, but we continue improving as much as we can. So just tell me your story, please, would be great. Or you can present
Yes.
yourself, or you are, you
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
and
No, yeah, yeah. My name's Chad. I've been a trader now for close to 15 years. I did it when I first started. It was just a hobby, just something I kind of dabbled in. About 4 years ago, I started getting really serious about it, about the trading. But what I did is I would just go onto website, YouTube channel, this and that, and just hop. I'd start a strategy and go, oh darn it, that doesn't work. After I took a few, and then I'd jump to another strategy, and then just jump to another strategy. Kept hopping around.
okay,
Um, well, I finally found a group to trade with. They're really good. I enjoy them. I started to really work on honing a strategy. I had some success, but the trades were just far and few between. This just didn't trade a lot, and I really wanted to be a full-time trader, do it for a profession. So I've been affiliated or at least knew of CTI for quite some time, and it received your emails, and I had an email that came from you about getting a mentor. Why go through all these years, which I had just done,
okay,
just trying to figure out again and again and again when I know I can help you. So come and join me, I'll help you, sort of thing. And I said, I think I'll do that. I think I'll give it a shot. Um, you've had
perfect.
complete transparency, which was huge for me. You actually posted on your Discord channel all of your trades, even your losses, which is unheard of.
Which is painful, but but yeah, that's the way to do it, I guess.
But that's the only way, because everybody else just posts these trophy trades, that one time, but they don't tell
That's
you that they lost 10 before that.
exactly,
Um,
and that's not reality. That's if you
yeah,
see that somewhere is wrong.
yeah, yeah.
It's not true.
So you guys were completely transparent and you were winning. I could see it, in your transparency, like, wow, yeah, they take losses, but they have these massive wins. So I
Yes.
definitely love to learn this strategy. I'd love to get mentorship. I think a strategy just on itself needs mentorship. I think if you just pick up a strategy, you just don't quite know how to use it. You need a mentor to kind of guide you. So
Okay.
that's what I did. I joined, and about what, 2 months ago? Yeah.
I think yes, we've been working together for 2 months. So what have changed since you actually joined? You see yourself different from that earlier 2 months ago to now? You feel yourself
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
better, worse? How are
Yeah.
things
No,
going?
no, no, much better. I've worked a lot with you. I've worked a lot with Troy. He's part of the CTI team too, about psychology. I've worked a lot with Palma. I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name. I think it's
Yeah,
Palma.
yes. Yes, I've got
Yeah.
difficult as well to pronounce, but
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Um, and top notch. What I've learned is to slow down and try to really get to know the strategy that you have. The one thing I was really impressed with working with you is you took it from trading and then back even further about confidence, about um, why I want to trade, and kind of find the why behind it all. And we put that in place first, which really helped me kind of align really what I want out of this. And
The
then you started
foundation.
to move. Yeah, the foundation was really set very well. And then you started to move forward. And and now we're starting to dig into trading. And I've already changed my trades and the way I trade just off of what we've already gone through. Same with what Troy's been teaching me, just to kind of slow down. Don't worry about perfection. Just worry about getting it really, really good. Just worry about that level of excellence. And
Exactly.
and moving forward that way. And I've seen some already just in this 2 months, my trading has increased. My trading skill has increased.
Perfect. So it was actually something that is I try to do with all of you, especially one-to-ones, is that I try to make sure I treat you like I don't know anything about you. And I work out like try. If you notice in all my meetings with you, I try to be you. So I try to actually suffer your pain, your it's a bit tough. That's why I cannot take many students with me. And you know that is that I try to feel how you feel and try to understand your emotions. What would you because without a strong foundation, that's what I'm looking for. I explained this to you already, but we now explain to everyone what is the reasons behind to have a strong foundation, psychology foundation, why you're trading for, which is seems to be simple, yeah. But I need to go for deep into. You've been found as difficult. Like, that's why I found it difficult to produce videos to contact to tell the people that. So it must be by coaching is the only way, because so many of you different mentalities. So I need to find out that. So I put myself in your shoes, and then I try to fix that problem from day one. All right. So where are we? So yes. Okay. So why it's very important for you to actually have a foundation? Yeah. And for all of you, foundation, why it's important? Because there will be times that you'll be in pain. It will be difficult. It just it's so painful. It's so stressful in some occasions that you say, I go enough. And you spend years of working, many years working on this. And then one day you say, I have too many losses. I got too much going on. I don't want to deal with this. Problem with the family, problem with you must to have reasons very strong. So, and that reasons is the one will make you to moving forward no matter what.
Yeah.
Because follow the rules is the most difficult part in life, in trading and anything you do in life. Like I said, I want to wake up always at the same time. I'm going to do this always at the same time. I want to study. That's the most difficult part to do forever. Yeah. How do you manage to do that? Because I need to wake up, because if I don't wake up, this is the consequence, or this will happen, or I will not, it's not me. I wake up because I got something more important, more powerful than myself. And that is the reason. That's why I want to make sure that you got that strong foundations, which means when you are okay trading, you're even stronger. When you go down trading, you got that to power, to helping you to moving forward. And as I explained earlier, it's practically impossible to coach or to teach people one-to-one on this. I can provide hundreds of videos, thousands of videos to make people to be aware of the strategies, to make them move forward, to teach them some. But at the end of the day, I need to be minimum 1 or 2 sessions to make sure I got your foundation clean and clear. Is the only way. And yes, of course, this is the way thinking that that's the reason behind I went you through your pain, through your difficulties, and that's how I can actually fix problems. The main reason I can fix problems, like I did with you, I believe, is, or at least I give you the guide. I've been giving you the tools to make you aware of, to make fix it by yourself, is that I've been actually have problems all my life. As you notice, I've just explained to you a lot of details, private stuff as well. And you know how I fixed myself, it was through fixing my own problems constantly, and then how I can fix your problem if I don't see myself in you to be able to fix your stuff, to give you the right tools, to tell you that everything is possible, you see. And that's the beauty of this transformation. And I can see already you've been changed a lot.
Yeah.
You move, it change, feel much more happier. You got a clear mind, and all these things is reflected. And we only halfway. We never even started trading. But you've been doing well trading because you already have a foundation, which is the psychology foundation, which make you to move forward.
Yeah.
And that you see different. You just start to see things different. On day one. And that's how it works.
What's impressive with the program is one, I get access to you. It's crazy that I get access to the CEO, someone who's been doing this for how many decades, someone who's been successful at it.
Almost
That's
3.
almost 3. I mean, that's impressive. It's
That's a
really
long time.
fun. And not only that is like, you don't tell me like, hey, forget everything you've learned and just learn my way. You actually say, oh, tell me what you have, let's work through it, let's take what works and refine it and make it even better. And oh,
Yes.
if you want to, you can also learn it my way, which works really, really well. And so to put those two together, like I haven't even started trading the STT yet, right? But I'm starting to learn it, I'm starting to understand it a lot more. But you've just helped me refine what I brought to the table already, which has made
Yeah.
me a much better trader. So
That's it.
even if you have other strategies that you want to refine, it's still worth it for the training, for sure.
Perfect. So yeah, this is actually a good point. And it's true that you don't need to learn the STT if you don't want to. But you will have values from the STT and other concepts. It's not only
Yeah.
the strategy itself, is the values you learn from the process of learning the strategy itself. You already have a strategy that works for you, perfect. Because this the end of the day, no one of my students they have learned the STT, do the STT only. They mix with other things because it's not it's not really a strategy only, which works a strategy work, but it's as well a psychology process that you go through the levels. And those levels make you to get a foundation to make you profitable on the end of the day. You
Yeah.
got values from it. It's not go level 1, that's it. No, level 2, okay, no. What have you learned from it is in each level coming into a process, mental process that developed after many years. And obviously they need the touch, which is actually level 6. That's where you are now. And you are moving forward nicely. But we haven't finished. I
Yeah.
want to have all this knowledge that you have now, all the foundation that you have, I want to make sure is solid. That make sure that it's moving, like a something that you have clean and clear. And obviously, our ultimate goal is you stop working for whatever you're doing or not. We discussed already this, that you can work in and make a trade money as a trader as well at the same time and make more. Says,
Yeah.
why not? But it's about to have the opportunity to make the decision, whatever you want to do, it works for you.
Yeah.
And have the choice. It's like you can work, but if you want to, you don't want to work. You don't.
Yeah.
That's the idea,
Yeah.
to have the freedom. That's the real freedom. And that's where we're going to looking into it. So that's in the next video. So we will discuss how it goes on the next discussion, you and me together. Well, that's it. This is actually the end of this short halfway training. So you would like to add anything for everyone to actually to say something to the new people coming in?
No, I can attest it's worth the money and more. Like it's just you will gain an edge in your trading by signing up. I suggest everybody do it.
Don't make it so popular. I don't want to teach too many. Okay, so yes,
That's true. That's true.
okay,
You can
so
only have
yes,
limited time. So only
exactly.
those who really, really want it should
Okay,
sign up.
and
Yeah,
I want and at this part I don't want to cut it. I want to make sure people they're aware of that. I don't want to take everyone. Okay,
that's true. That's true. Yeah.
I want my freedom. I don't want to
Yeah.
spend all my life coaching people. So
Yeah.
traders, new
Yeah.
traders. As a coach, if you
Yeah.
want, I really love it. I really love to make the transformation to all of you, and I would love to have the time to have 10 live to coach more because as I say, I place myself in your shoes, and if you're happy, I'm happy.
Yeah.
And that's what make me happy. So it's like
Yeah.
because I make that movement forward of somebody that
Yeah.
was actually struggle, that was didn't know what to do in life anymore, or those ones that actually say, "Oh, what am I doing now? I just lost." So
Yeah.
that's what I'm here for, to help you to
Yeah.
make sure everything is clean and clear.